Good day and happy new month. This message is brought to you by Team Omenka App. Omenka App is a premier Igbo app designed for the codification and preservation of Igbo language and cultural heritages, and is now available on Play Store and Apple Store. In 2006, you may recall that Igbo language was predicted to die, to disappear, or to go into extinction around the year 2050. Since then, efforts by Igbo scholars and enthusiasts around the globe have continued to increase the awareness against the UNESCO's prediction among Igbo speakers and indigenes. Omenka App is a product of one of those efforts toward the preservation of Igbo heritages. As an Igbo speaker, as an Igbo indigene, we encourage you to join in these efforts. Nihina Igbo kwuru sị, agbakọ aka nyụọ mmamịrị, ya agba ụfụfụ, onwe ihe ọzọ ga-eme. What can you do? First, get Omenka App on your phone. Second, share Omenka App with your contacts. Third, learn Igbo. Learn Igbo. Ima ka esi ede, ka esi agụ. Learn how to write, learn how to read, or even speak. Do not say, I am too big. Teach your children and others with Omenka App. Fourth, contribute towards the continued development of Omenka App. Omenka App is a work in progress. Let's join hands to build it. Deo.